Gurv Mila Moggett for coming out tonight. We're not well known in these parts yet.
There is a house on the canal bank, built of grey brick and covered thick, unassuming and feet shorter than either edifice who flanks her. But she's got poise and dignity, a sash made from a climbing tree, whose purple blooms for just 2 weeks betray her royalty. There is a house upon a man-made shore, presided over by a gentle lord, a benign ruler with an ironing board, so quick to open his front door. Whoa, wise and kindly, soft and mild, he invited me in like some prodigal child, showed me grace in his place, Mr. Averill, in the house of David. In the house of David. There is a house on the south side, a halfway place for the disenfranchised, for the sick of heart and sick of mind, a fortress safe wherein to hide. Though dark and cluttered she may be, oh, she's warm, always warm, a sanctuary. She'll comfort and she'll hold you as she's done for me, by gentle virtue of her majesty. Whoa, palace unruly, I love you truly. Your walls and floors have held and restored me, kept me safe, tucked away under no danger. In the house of David. In the house of David. Oh, in the house of David. Oh, the house of David. Yeah. A shield from the buffets of the busy outside. It holds me as a woman, like it held me as a child. Oh, I've perished in this place countless times, then risen like a phoenix, came back alive. There is a house of holy moments who has nurtured me and seen me through all shades of red and shades of blue. So many things I've done and failed to do. best of me, the worst of me will always hold a part of me. Oh, I'll be ever grateful to this here haven, David's house, David's house. May it always be celebrating the house of David. Oh, in the house of David. Oh, in the house of David. Oh, with the house of David. In the house of Diagwit. Gurf Mila. Show a title track to an album that I'm releasing later in the year called The House of David. Next up, we're going to do a cover that all three of us, this is my sister, Matilda Mudrafur, Oxmajahar Fiacra, and we spent a lot of time together lockdown over 2020, and we did a lot of singing in that time and arranging songs. So this is one of the covers that we arranged in that time. It's Nancy Griffith's Trouble in the Fields. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trouble in the fields when the bankers swarm like locusts out there turning away our yields. Trains roll by our side with silver in the rain. They leave our pockets full of nothing but our dreams and the golden grain. Have you seen the folks in a line downtown at the station? They're all buying their tickets out and they're talking the Great Depression. Our parents had their hard times 50 years ago when they stood out in these empty fields and dust as deep as snow. And all this trouble in our fields, if this rain can't fall, these wounds can heal. They'll never take our native soil. Sell that new John Deere, then we'll work these crops with sweat and tears. I'll be the mule, you'll be the plow. Come harvest time, we'll work it out. There's still a lot of love here in these troubled fields. Children live in the cities and they rest upon our shoulders. They never want the rain to fall or the weather to get colder. And all this trouble in our fields, if this rain can't fall, these wounds can heal. They'll never take our native soil. But if we sell that new John Deere, then we'll work these crops with sweat and tears. I'll be the mule, you'll be the plow. Come harvest time, we'll work it out. There's still a lot of love here in these troubled fields. I'll be the mule, you'll be the plow. Come harvest time, we'll work it out. There's still a lot of love here in these troubled fields. There's still a lot of love here in these troubled fields.
So next up is Glinty. Another from this forthcoming album of mine. This is called, and Tá Brónaring that we haven't got the Gaelga Líafa. Déanamid Iarach there, cúpla focal. So this is called I Cling to You, Os Béarla. I'm not sure what that is. Os Gaelga. Bobby? Klingen mé leat. Well, if you don't know, then I certainly don't know. Huh? Okay.
Upon a restless summer night, a hanging silence quivered in the air, teeming with 1,000 words that you alone knew well were hanging there. And you waited for me gently, and you urged me in your silence to let you hear. And then a flash of passion took me, and I wailed to you my sorrows and my fears. And my fears, oh, my fears. And my fears, oh, my fears. Then you spoke to me softly as to a child awaking from some fiendish sleep. You can't feel it all, you say. There's simply not enough hours in the week. And then you held me close against you, and you kissed away the frown lines on my brow. And a massive wave of clarity came flooding o'er my mind, and I knew somehow that I cling to you now. Oh, I cling to you. I cling to you now. Oh, I cling to you. I cling to you now. I cling to you now. I keep above the ebb and flow, tempestuous tides, to know you're with me, babe. You're with me, babe. And all the while the weather breaks my boat towards your shoreline, makes you shelter me. You shelter me. And I cling to you now. Oh, I cling to you. I cling to you now. Oh, I cling to you. I cling to you now. I cling to you now. What can do with solitude, a dull and steady gait along the street, until you cut me at the corner with enormous force. You knocked me off my feet, but you were quick to catch my fall attachments, all that wants to ensue. And its powerful simplicity hits me now, just what it all comes down to.
something a bit funkier now. Funkier? Groovier, maybe.
Bit groovy.
Slice groovy. Not groovy, slice funky. This is called Velvet Morning. 1, 2, 3, 5.
Velvet morning, oh, and you're calling my name. It's been dawning on me, baby. It's time for a change. I've been warring with myself, holding the quake in my hand and abhorring this head buried deep in the sand. Hopelessly free, well, I'm sure you'll agree. I've been riding the wave like the right to remain isn't catching my throat and snagging my heel on the wire, tiptoeing above the fire, feeling so very tired. Please come and save my desire, and morning come whisk me away. Morning come whisk me away. Velvet morning, swallow me in your embrace. I've been falling further from favor and grace. Tell my father, oh, I can't speak on the phone. His own daughter is punching at walls on her own. Take it from me, I can hardly agree. All a bird, all a feather would stick to their trees. I would rather fly south with a worm in my mouth than linger here, soaking up all the cheer, lamenting my passing years. Please come and calm my fears, and morning come whisk me away. Morning come whisk me away. And though it seems the grand reveal has only just begun, cloak me in this velveteen and shield me from the sun. Velvet morning, heralding news of my fate. I've been drawing pictures that look like mistakes, gentle patterns cast by the light through the trees. Glowing apples illuminate something unseen. Growing on knees as the morning reveals what is aching and crumbling and terribly real. No escaping or numbing uncomfortable feelings for now. Bird song, drown it all out. Cover me in your shroud. Help me forget what it's all about. Morning come whisk me, morning come whisk me away. Morning come whisk me away. Morning come whisk me away.
So this next song we're going to do is it's a cover by a man called Colin Rincombe, who was local in our area in Ballydehob, Skull area. Lived there for years. He was an 80s pop star that went under the moniker Black. His famous song, you might know was
No need to run, oh no, it's a wonderful, wonderful life.
Ring a bell? You know the one. So he lived in our locality for many years and was really a part of the local music scene when I was growing up, when we were all growing up. And really lovely guy, and he very tragically died in a car accident in 2017. And his son Max, who lives locally as well, approached us over in 2020 about covering one of his songs for a project that he was putting together, which was a kind of tribute series to Colin, called Love Colin. So he asked if we would arrange this song, and we were very delighted and honoured to do it. And it's one of a whole series of different tributes to Colin, different artists covering his songs. So this is our version of In a Heartbeat by Colin Burnko, aka Black.
She'd leave me alone, like I know she would if she saw me alone, sitting on a bar stool, looking back at her, and I couldn't hide the hunger from her. Should I leave in a Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, don't mean I love you. Sometimes I dream of home, but like a lover that's a long time gone, and she's so unknown, 'cause you thought you knew what you try to put in words as if it's words you understood. Should I leave in a heartbeat? Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la. Change, keep changing, turning inside out, turning it from what it is to what it was about, staking what you never had, never wanted to, strip your shoes and cut your feet on what you're going through. The last time was the first time, but the first time never fades, only exists inside a dream you forgot you never made. Ooh. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, don't mean I love you. I wish she'd leave me alone, like I know she would if she saw me alone, sitting on a bar stool, looking back at her, and I couldn't hide the hunger from her. Should I leave in a heartbeat? Sha-la-la-la-la-la, don't mean I love you.
Gurm. Shui Aaron Fui Arjar Har. Another one. Not him. Oscar she. No, it's not. Is it? It's called Brother Blue. It's called Brother Blue. Osperla. I've been asking people about that because if it's Jahar Gurram, that infers something else, right? That's his race. That's not what I mean. I guess blue Oskelga is not grief. It's sadness. I says, but Bronach. Jahar Bronach. Ishelbree. What was that? Ishelbree. Cade? Bronach. That's Jahar Bronach. This is Bronach Nish. This is 4. Always feel it's important to say that. Those people get very sad.
Well, it saddened me so to see you today, and to hear such frustration directed your way. Brother, hear me when I say I could see you were torn and troubled inside. Quick agitation that danced in your eyes heard that old world weary sigh. But I know you're noble, honest and kind, a person of quality in spirit and mind, the precious sword that's hard to find. And it's hard to believe one as decent as you could plain fail to see what the rest of us do. Well, I only speak the truth. This goes out to you, my brother Blue. Well, I am 3 years older in age, and I battled those demons, the self-same rage. Oh, and sometimes I still do. But you have to believe that life's there to live, and you are worthy of all the great bounty it is. Oh, have faith, brother, do. You won't always be my brother Blue. Ooh. Well, you'll stumble on happiness when you're not looking. Having tripped on the tiniest beautiful thing, brother, life is yet to begin.
Mila. Road size funky Arish. Pretty sweet. Thanks for coming. Okay, ready?
Walking through the city, alive and teeming, mind in a heightened state, resembles dreaming. Cheeks betray a glow that show my heat in spite of the cold. What's the devil done who spun these big sensations? Paradoxically intoxicating situation. Heaven help me, how can this be? Please somebody give me a guide. You lemons, buds, sugar too. What in the world is a girl supposed to do after a bittersweet week? Or want a bittersweet week? It's been, oh, it's been, ooh, oh yeah. Was with a heavy heart past the start of this last week. Now a taste of bliss and almost kiss. I'm worlds apart. The air was sweet and portentous. I'm aggrieved and tormented all the while. 'Cause you know and I know this is danger zone, and all these twinkling lights are full of brightness and foreboding of a suitcase of sorrow and a chance at keeping it close. Oh, when life gives you lemons, but sugar too. What in the world is a girl supposed to do after a bittersweet week? I want a bittersweet week. It's been, oh, it's been, ooh, oh yeah. Walking steady on toward a destination, profoundly dumbfounded by these revelations, possibility, insanity, reality. My God, I don't know. 'Cause though your smiling eyes so entire, soft with care, and your scent filled my senses in the crisp December air upon this heart. The heavy handprint of love still lingers there, still lingers there. Oh, when life gives you lemons, but sugar too. What in the world is a girl supposed to do after a bittersweet week? Oh, what's a bittersweet week? Oh, what's a bittersweet week? It's been, oh, it's been, ooh,
Now, Anish, cover Ella. This is a song we arranged not long before we started this tour, actually. We've been doing a tour for the last couple of weeks, kind of nationally, and yeah, we arranged the song just coming up to it, and it's a Sufjan Stevens song. A Sufjan Stevens song. Assonance. Called No Shade in the Shadow of the Cross.
Now that I fell into your arms, my only lover give out to give in. I search for the capsule I lost. Drag me to hell in the valley of the Dells. Like my mother, give wings to a stone. It's only the shadow of the cross. I slept on my back in the shade of the meadowlark, like a champion. Get drunk to get laid. Take one more hit when you depart. I'll drive that stake through the center of my heart. Lonely vampire inhaling its fire. I'm chasing the dragon too far. There's blood on the blade. Fuck me, I'm falling apart. My assassin, like Casper the ghost. No shade in the shadow of the cross.
Might do a new one. Do the new one maybe? Go ahead. Might do the new one that I sang the other day. If you'll indulge me, I might do just an Aron Nua that I wrote recently. The lad's gonna have a sit down. This is something I wrote over the last 4 or 5 months anyway. That I debuted at a gig recently, and I don't know, I'm just in the swing of playing it now. So here we go. This is called, well, I think it's, what's it called? It's either called Time Moves On or it's called Golden Thing. Maybe I'll get your opinion on that at the end.
When the road is long, Stitch up your courage and carry on. When your heart's not strong, gather up the pieces till time moves on. Had a golden thing, wore it about you like the robes of a king. There was a heavy price, never were to own them, though they fit real nice. They were another's robes, sewn up and claimed in the days of old. Oh, the days of old. Oh, the days of old. So with the utmost care, took him off and laid him over the other's chair. But you lingered there, caressing the folds with your shoulders bare. With the help of grace, stitched up your courage and you left that place. Oh, you left that place. Oh, that place. Now with the vaguest plan, you take to the road like a roving man. And if the road is long, stitch up your courage and carry on. And if it all feels wrong, hold on to the pieces, baby. Time moves on. Oh, time moves on. Oh, time moves on.
Jesus. Like a pro. Reflexes of a ninja.
Oh no, it's okay, don't worry. Just get close.
You have a jacket.
No, it's fine.
As gige an an seos conas a chuir sé báisteach. No conas. When? Cahan the chuir sé
When it
báisteach.
rains.
When it rains. We're that. Nura what? Nura bhí sé curbóistí. That's what I mean. Okay. Yeah, Nura bhí sé curbóistí. It's nothing snappy as gig actually.
You've got artistic license.
Lover, let's away with us. Linger more here, thus we dare not do. Embrace the now and not before. Sky is open, doors ajar, come through. Adults on by separation, the tricky path of conversation new. Tangled tempers, tongues ablaze, this firework display of ours is blue. Let's embrace the weather now. We can outrun the tempest in our wake. Except the sun plays tricks of light. Try not to get dazzled for our sake. Oh, when it rains, love. Oh, when it rains, love. We suffer what we do. We'll remain, love. Wade through our disdain and let it soak us through. There beneath the sky we'll find the little knots inside our minds come loose. Loose. Oh, when it rains, love. Oh, when it rains, we may hit on some small truth. Upon a heathered heath and seething, purple are the hues of my disgrace. Sky is grey as mockery, and rivulets lie thick upon my face. Pushing on like punishment, trudging torment, bitter eyes alight. Derision and retaliation, nature laughs and notches up the fight. Standing in the weather now, knowing I can outrun my own fate. Humbled in defeat, I dip my chastened chin skywards to receive. Oh, when it rains, love. Oh, when it rains, love. We suffer what we do. We'll remain, love. Wade through our disdain and let it soak us through. Where beneath the sky we'll find the little knots inside our minds come loose. Loose. So when it rains, love, darling, when it rains, we may hit on some small truth around my head and screaming gusts around. Truth around my head and screaming gusts around. Truth and screaming gusts around my head and screaming gusts around. Truth and screaming gusts around my head and screaming gusts around my head. Gusts around my head and screaming gusts around.
Okay, we're on the home stretch now. Got to do a bit of tuning for this one. So as I kind of mentioned at the beginning, most of these songs are from an album I'm due to release later in the year. So watch this space. All these songs will be hearable in the world before long. A couple of them are already. Brother Blue, Drahar Bronuk is already. I released that as a single last year, so that's out there. Okay, the song is called The In-Between. It's our most dramatic number.
Two cities. I choose a direction with tenuous feet, and I reel in distraction from what could have been if I'd gone the other way. I live in a noisy place, a hurly-burly hailstorm rages in my brain. Muffle the sounds and I dampen them out, and I ramp up the volume when stillness surrounds, so fearfully still. Tear a little window in my soul, see the Piscean fishes swimming in their bowl. Round and round they go in opposite directions, moving just to please, no pause or introspection, perpetually in motion for fear they'll fall behind, in repetitious circles within their glass confines. And I'm left with a sense that I'm everywhere and nowhere. What is it to live like this? Somebody's sure. Free
Curve Mila, this I think will be our final song. Our on Deranach. I'm just going to do a little bit more tuning for it, and it's a happier one, I promise. Put you through a bit of a tirade there of misery, misery, drama, emotion, and angst. I would say that in Oscar if I could. It should be a great list of words. Olive? This has been an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much, Magwiv, for having us down. It's been up, down. Where are we? We're up from where we are. Side, up and side. Thank you for having us on the side. Tell them about this song, Till.
This is a happy song. Oh. This is a single that was released last year, is it?
Yeah.
And it's an upbeat song that Molly wrote during lockdown to give you hope, right? And remember to be brave.
Yes. Oskelga? Be Kroguk. Be Kroguk. Great. That's good.
And there's a lovely video for it starring our other brother. Not the sad one, not that one, the other one. Yeah.
We get all the family in, all the family involved. We had such high hopes for learning all of the songs of Skelga before we came, but it just didn't happen that way. I blame Matilda, she went away. I don't really. Sounds good to me. Okay, here we go.
There's no fast track or no easy ride. You must bump on down the rude road, get caught in the barbed wires. Don't let them snag you. Honey, cut yourself loose. Even if you speak it with a wavering voice, speak what you know to be true. Don't fall for the bullshit. It's everywhere. It will seep into your hair and clothes the longer you let it. Wash out immediately. Honey, get yourself clean. The longer you remain swayed in the stench of it, the longer you fail to be free. 'Cause when all is said and done, you're not the evil one. You've been the feeble one, willfully blind. So seize the time, cast off the lies your ego spun. Reach high beneath the sun. Leave doubt behind. And be bold, child. Oh, be bold. The jealousy's sour and it's crippling. Toxic thing. Wash it out of your mouth, scoop it out of your brain, breathe it out. You're better than to let it drive you insane. 'Cause when all is said and done, you're not the evil one. You've been the feeble one, we're fully blind. So seize the time, cast off the lies your ego spun. Reach high beneath the sun. Leave doubt behind and be bold, child. Be bold. rest is just fear and confusion. You two are scared and confused, so have empathy. I know there's pain, but still pain, even if it's worn differently. And as for the peaceful moments of joy, they're the real ones. Those ephemeral, fickle adrenaline highs are just an addiction. And remember to be brave, whatever you do. Systems and people will rattle you, and they'll try and blur what is true. And if it's all indistinct, remember kindness is king. And if you don't stray away from bravery, compassion will find its way. 'Cause when all is said and done, we're not the evil ones. We've been the feeble ones. We're fully blind. Let's see, is the time cast off the lies our egos spawn. Reach high beneath the sun. Leave doubt behind. And be bold, child. Walk, be bold. Yeah, be bold, child. Walk, be bold. Yeah, be bold, child. Yeah, be bold. Walk, be bold. Yeah, be Fiacra, Matilda, Molly. This was awkward bow the whole time. Thanks, guys. Gurb Mila Margaret. It's been an absolute pleasure. Really, really. Thank you to Olive on sound. It's you know, honestly, we would have just played in this room with no one in it. It just sounds so lovely. We sound so lovely to ourselves. Like, so extra bonus that there's people here enjoying it. Also, you haven't asked for it, but we have got one more for you if you'd like it. No, we didn't. No. This is quicker tuning.
If anyone's in Ballyhob on Sunday, we'll be playing in Levis's. Oh,
We
it's
will?
sold out. Never mind.
No, they've upgraded. There's some more capacity now because it's in the garden.
Levis's Ballyhob Sunday.
Okay, we'll sing you out with this one. This is a lullaby love song called Tomorrow's Lunch. Lone Amorach.
Boxing up tomorrow's lunch, placing it in Tupperware so neat. Boxing up tomorrow's lunch, so baby, you and I, we both can eat. And yet again, it's night before, so rituals we thus perform in synchronicity. We'll sort the things we're needing for the morning. Boxing up tomorrow's lunch, I watched you so discreetly as you did. Boxing up tomorrow's lunch, with grace and clever hands you close the lids. fixing up tomorrow's lunch, and I can't wait to eat tomorrow's fare. You packed our lunch into small boxes. Me, oh my, you did it with such care. Tomorrow, babe, and then again we'll do the waltz at 9 p.m. And when we smell love in the air, we'll box it up in Tupperware. So baby, it will keep.
Good, Anya. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much, Ramila.